Hello and welcome to Innovin Foods. Today we are making a crispy and delicious snack, chicken bites. Golden on the outside, juicy on the inside, and so easy to prepare. Let's get started. In a bowl, add 1 cup of chicken pieces, half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon pepper powder, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, and 1 teaspoon tomato sauce. Mix everything well and let it rest for 15 minutes to soak up all the flavors. Fried chicken became popular worldwide thanks to American fast food chains, but the recipe has roots in Scottish and West African cooking. Now take 1 cup cornflakes and crush them into small pieces. Did you know cornflakes were originally invented as a healthy breakfast, but they make a fantastic crispy coating too. Crush cornflakes by hand instead of blending to keep larger crunchy bites. Coat each marinated chicken piece in flour. Dip it into egg mixture and finally coat with cornflakes for that extra crunch. Heat oil on medium flame and fry the chicken pieces for 7 to 8 minutes or until golden and crispy. Always fry on medium heat. Too high will burn the coating, too low will make it oily. Avoid overcrowding the pan so each piece cooks evenly. Use skinless chicken breast for a leaner option. Fry in small batches to avoid excess oil absorption. The crunchy sound of fried chicken actually increases our appetite. It's science. You can bake instead of deep fry for a healthier twist. Pair with a fresh salad to balance the meal. And that's it, our crispy juicy chicken fry is ready to enjoy. Perfect for evening snacks or weekend treats. What's your favorite dipping sauce for fried chicken? Tell us in the comments. If you love crunchy snacks, give this video a like. Share this recipe with a friend who can't resist fried chicken. Subscribe to Innovin Foods for more quick and tasty recipes.